We trapped this guy last night. Can you believe it? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're cooking barbecued pork. Check this beauty of a hog out. So for these ribs, I'm gonna season them up real nice, and a tip is to cut the membrane on the back of the ribs for better cooking. Tip about seasoning ribs is to always use your fingers to rub the seasoning. When you put the ribs over the fire, make sure it's on low heat. We use the honey because it makes the barbecue pork ribs taste great. Woo! Drinking beer while you're barbecuing is essential.
Cheers.
Cheers.